Alright guys, what's going on, man? See Smooth back with another video. We out here at the playground at Pop's house trying to get some things in order. You guys already know, or maybe you don't know, Cadillac is gone. The Cadillac limo is sold. We sold that this week. So that's out of here. I'm still not gonna buy nothing yet soon. I still want to build up my funds a little bit more. So in the meantime, I'm working on my Buicks today, man. We got this Buick right here. We doing the valve stem seal job on it. Trying to figure out if I need a new engine or not on this one. We almost done fixing that. I kind of took a pause on this for the last year, but we almost done fixing that. So we're gonna figure out if that needs a new engine. And then I got my other Buick over here, my first Buick, Big Bertha. That it had a bad gas smell. If you guys know what that gas smell may be, let me know in the comments. But today I'm gonna switch out the tires from this Buick to this Buick because they're better. Put that on this car. I'm gonna start it up, charge up the AC, and I'm gonna start picking at this thing because I think I'm gonna start detailing out this Buick. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna get this one and running, started up. I'm show you guys what it sound like, what it look like, and we're gonna go from that. That's the little project we're doing today. So stay tuned. All right guys, so at this point I'm just finishing jacking up the vehicle. I'm gonna change the front two tires just to start, and then from there I'm gonna just pull the car out. I haven't started it in months, so I don't even know if it's gonna start up on the first tick, but that's what we're doing, changing out these front two tires, and then I'm gonna pull the car out. All right guys, we about to start it up. I got the two new wheels on the front. I'm gonna pull it out from the spot right now, so we're gonna see what we got going on. Like I said, guys, I haven't started or touched this car in months. It's filthy, just straight filthy. So we're gonna see what we can come up with. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit later on in this vehicle. I mean, later on in this video, I'm gonna clean it up, but we're gonna see what we can work with today. All right, guys, we about to get this thing started up for the first time in a long time. Got
that shit down to Florida at the homeboy. They'll find that exhaust leak.
All right, guys, so at this point now, I'm about to just pull this car out, see what we're working with here. Like I said, I haven't drove or been in this car in months, so I'm just gonna clean it up. And just evaluate the car's overall condition. I'm not sure yet what exactly I'm gonna do with this car. Like I said, I got two Roadmasters. One of them, I'm working on the engine to kind of see where it stands. This one, the engine works, it's just really rusty. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think I want to detail out of the one that I'm pulling out now with the hood scoop. But I don't know if it makes sense yet. I'm still trying to figure that out. So this is kind of what I'm just doing right now, where I'm at.
That molding comes off too. You're gonna lose it.
All right, guys, so she's alive, man. She is alive. She's still running. I got her out. This is the original Big Bertha. What you mean?
I bought this one. I didn't use it. These are 2 cans.
Yeah, guys, so she's alive, man. This is the good side. This is the side that looks kind of pretty compared to the other side. Like I said, I stopped driving this car for a while because I had a bad gas smell. I was coming inside the cabin. We're gonna try to address that because I think I'm gonna, we got this leak, we got this hanging. We're gonna figure that out, but. And then this is the ugly side, guys. It got a little bit of, you know, rust right here. I don't really like that. This door, when I bought this car, I bought it like this. So this door is not the original door that's on the car. It got a little damage right there. You know, it's blue. So it came from a different vehicle. So it was kind of just Jimmy rigged, put together right here. But other than that, the interior is really in pretty decent shape for what it is. It's a different color steering wheel. The back, pretty decent. Now, they look like they did some type of Bondo or something here. But I mean, it's pretty decent for what it is. The car, the seats is pretty decent. The headliner needs some work up there, you know. But, ooh, rattly. For what it is, man, you know, then we got the famous back seats. Y'all know about that, man. So for what it is, it's decent, man. It's a decent vehicle. We're gonna make it work, man. I think I'm gonna use this as a detailing vehicle. We'll see, guys. We'll see what I come up with, but I know for sure I'm gonna definitely drive her home today. Me and my girl, we're gonna get her in this.
Take this can back, it ain't no good.
The one I bought?
The thread is no good.
Oh, shit. All right. Yeah, guys, so she's back alive. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna get it right. I'm gonna finish switching out these 2 tires, put the original tires back on from the other vehicle. And yeah, that's what we got going on with this, man. We're gonna get, this is gonna be the one that I fix up nice. I go on road trips with, you know. I even got the double exhaust tools coming out the back. I put that on myself. I really want to take this exhaust because I like the way it sounds so much and put it on this car, but we'll see what I do. I don't know. But yeah, this is gonna be the car that I take on road trips, that I, you know what I'm saying, this is gonna be the family Roadmaster. Now the interior in this one is not as beautiful as the other one is. Still decent though, not as bad. It got a headliner, better color steering wheel. You know, we gonna figure it out. I got the seats down in this one right now, so it's not up, but it's pretty decent, man. Same old deal, same thing, man. But the body's a lot better condition. You know, it's not rotted out right there. It's not as rusty. This is a Georgia car. The other one's an up north car. So we'll see what we could do. We'll see what we could do, man. I'll keep you guys updated. But right now we're gonna get it around. I'm gonna put some AC in there, little can of AC. And I think I'm gonna drive it home today, man. I'm gonna drive it home, drive my baby home. I missed her. All right, guys, I got the Buick out. Like I said before, I got all the wheels now on it. All the original wheels from the other Buick, I have it on now. This one, what I'm gonna do is just give it a quick clean real quick. Nothing special, give it a quick clean, quick vacuum. And that's it, man. That's it for today. I'm gonna drive it up the street, see if there's anything major. I don't think there's nothing really wrong with it though. But yeah, that's it, man. I know this car got a leak. It got a couple issues with it, but it's nothing major, so I'm gonna do what I can. I think I'm gonna use this as my detailing vehicle. This is gonna be my new detailing vehicle. My Chevy, I'm giving back to my pops, man. He likes this truck. He needs something to pull cars from the auction with. And I don't really need it. I just use it for my detailing stuff. So if I could detail my Buick, I really don't care to give him back his truck. So I had bought this truck from my dad a couple years ago, but I'm gonna give it back to him, man. All I use it for is this, honestly. And this stuff could fit in the back of the Buick. So yeah, we're not gonna use this no more. I'm actually gonna set the back of the Buick up really nicely with all my stuff. And we're gonna do it like that. And it's the logo of my business. So what better way to drive around in the logo of your business and detail cars out of the logo of the business. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. So yeah, I actually kind of like this car with the original rims on it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's all cleaned up, but I'm gonna get it right now. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Alright guys, I got my Buick behind me, man. I got the new tires on it, new rims and tires. Well, not new, but new to this car. I took it off the other Buick. This one, like I said, guys, is my first one. I had it for a while. I'm gonna see if I can save this one, man. I kind of gave up on this one a little bit because it was rusty and had that gas smell. I'm gonna see what I could do, man. I'm gonna see if I can bring it back to life. I'm gonna try to attempt to detail out this car. So let me know what y'all think about that. Think that's a smart idea? Think that's dumb? You think I should just go and get a regular detailing van, or should I detail out of this Buick Roadmaster, man? What y'all think, man? I think I should, man. It's the logo. What y'all think, man? I think I should do it. I cleaned it up. It looked pretty decent right now. It needs some TLC, but I think if I detail it and use some of that money to bring it back to life, I think it'd be all right, man. So stay tuned. See Smooth. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Like I said, we sold the Cadillac. We got another project car. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna introduce you guys to that new car that we got. But I gotta soon. I'm gonna get back in the dealership, or not a dealership. Get back in the auction and start buying some more stuff. I'm just still getting everything together with my address change, and also yeah, I got a name change as well, guys. We no longer see Smooth's Auto Playground. It's just the Auto Playground. That's how I renamed the business too. I realized that having C Smooth in the name, it was a little unprofessional, and also it's just confusing when you're telling people what your business name is. They're like, who's C Smooth? What's a C Smooth? You know what I'm saying? So keep it the Auto Playground. That's what we are. The Auto Playground, man. That's what we looking to build one day. That's what we looking to have, an Auto Playground. So stay tuned. Follow along for the journey. Like and subscribe to this video, guys. And we'll catch you either on the next video or the next clip. I don't know if this video is gonna be all, but next video, next clip, we'll catch you guys.
What's a new way we decide? What's on my mind? It's the grind. She said she see it in my eyes. All caps, gotta aim higher.